Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafizul bin Marizali and my matrix number is 14DET22F1070. First, x-axis. The area under the curve can be calculated through three simple steps. First, we need to know the equation of the curve. Y is equal to fx. The limits across which the area is to be calculated, and the axis enclosing the area. Secondly, we have to find the integration and the derivative of the curve. Finally, we need to apply the upper limits and the lower limits to the integral answer and take the difference to obtain the area under the curve.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Firdaus bin Abdul Halim. Nombor pendaftaran saya 14 DET 22F1016. Saya daripada program DET 2B. Y-axis. Area with respect to the y-axis, the area of the curve bounded by the curve x equal to Fy, the y-axis across the line y equal to A and y equal to B is given by the following below expression. Further, the area between the curve and the y-axis can be understood from the below graph.
So, we move on to example 1. Example 1 is find the total areas between the curve y is equal to x power of 3 and the x-axis between x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 2. If we simplify integrated x power of 3 between -2 and 2, we will get x power of 4 over 4 is equal to 4 negative 4 is equal to 0. So instead, we have to split the graph up and do two separate integrals. We can do like x power of 3 dx is equal to x power of 4 over 4 is equal to 16 over 4 minus 0, and the answer will be 4. So next, x power of 3 dx is equal to x power of 4 over 4 is equal to 0 minus 16 over 4, and the answer will be -4. So area is 4. We then add these two up to get 8 units.
Hello, my name is Karen Aim bin Mahirwanwa. My matrix number is 14DET22F1010. For example 2, find the area between the x-axis and the graph fx equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 2x from x equals to -1 to x equals to 2. We can see that the graph is above the x-axis from x equals to -1 to x equals to 0, and below the x-axis from x equals to 0 to x equals to 2. So the area are splitting into two integrals. As you can see from the answer, we write the up graph, which is 0 to -1, and then put the fx into the formula, and minus by the lower graph, which is 2 and which is from 2 to 0, and then also put the fx into the formula, and then we need to minus 1 from the power of the x, and then we'll divide by the power of the x after the equation, which is 1 per 4 x power by 4 minus 1 per 3 x cube minus x square, and also same for the beside, and then change the 0 and -1 into the x, which is if it's 0, and then the final answer will be 0, and then the -1 change into the x, we will get 1 per 4 in bracket -1 power by 4 minus by 1 per 3 in bracket negative 1 cube minus in bracket negative 1 square. And then we need to minus by the lower graph, which is 1 per 4 in bracket 2 power by 4 negative 1 per 3 in bracket 2 cube minus 2 in bracket square, and then minus the 0. We need to write the 0, which is can be the marks if we have in final. And then the final answer is, for the first one, 5 per 12 minus by the second one, which is negative 8 per 3. And then the final answer is 37 per 12. That's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Umar Wafi bin Rodi and my matrix number is 14DET22F1030. And my question in example 3 is, what is the area between the curve y equal x square minus 4 and the x-axis? So the first step, we need to evaluate the definite integral. We use the property of integral to get the integral x square dx minus x for dx. And after that, use the formula integral x power n dx equal x n plus 1 per n plus 1 to get the integral x power 3 per 3 minus 4x. And next, we use the formula integral a dx equal to a multiple x to evaluate the integral. And next, to evaluate the definite integral, return the limits of integration in bracket x power 3 per 3 minus 4x, and use the formula f in bracket x equal to f in bracket b minus f in bracket a to evaluate the expression to, and this we can calculate in one way, 2 power 3 per 3 minus 4 in bracket 2 minus in bracket negative 2 power 3 per 3 minus 4 multiple negative 2, and we will get the value negative 10.76 unit. And the area is negative because it is below the x-axis, it is above the x-axis. On the other hand, give positive result.
Alright, example 4. Find the area under curve y equal to x cubed in the interval x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 and above x-axis. Solution. First, draw a raw sketch of the curve y equal to x square and shade the region between x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 and above x-axis. Graph of the curve y equal to x cubed in the interval x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 and above x-axis. Take the horizontal stripe in this case and apply the formula BA y dx. Y equal to x cubed and A equal square unit. 15/4 is cube unit. That's all from me. Thank you.